Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the Lakewood Camping Resort. We are going to give you a tour of this resort, show you everything they have to offer. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We cover everything in the Myrtle Beach area. And if you're a return viewer, thanks so much for watching and welcome back. So this is an actual half-mile by half-mile campground. They have vacation home rentals, they have RV parking, and this is an oceanfront resort. Oh, pretty bird. So we're going to show you everything. They have a lot of these nice lakes and waterways. Got some little ducks coming in. It's really a beautifully designed resort. We're going to start over here right across the street at the trading post. So we are close to the entrance. Right there is the entrance to the camping resort, and it is, make sure no cars are coming, it is right off Kings Highway. It's just south of the Myrtle Beach State Park. And so if you're familiar with that, that's on the south end of Myrtle Beach. This is just south of that. So you're getting close to Surfside in this area. The address is actually a Myrtle Beach address though. We are not officially into Surfside. So today they are having a yard sale and also a sidewalk sale here at their trading post, which is their gift shop and cafe. So that's why it's open to the public and we're able to come and share this with you. Let's pop into the trading post and see what they have to offer. They do have a pretty big cafe. I'll show you that in just a minute. And around here, they do have a nice seating area. Lots of places to seat. Got ice cream, drink station, and they have a massive menu. They really do. They have got a lot of stuff. Unfortunately, I don't have zoom on this camera, so I can't zoom in, but trust me when I say you'll be able to find something there. They've got a lot to offer. Got a lot of t-shirts, sweatshirts, all kinds of gifts. We are into the spring break season now, so we are getting quite a few people visiting. You can definitely tell by the traffic it has picked up for sure. So they've got some fishing supplies back here, some beach supplies, really everything that you would probably need if you were taking a vacation. Looks like they've got a few sundries and as well as some RV gear. They've got some bait back here. They also have bicycle rentals here, and they have a putt-putt course as well. I can only show you a little bit of it today because they are actually changing out the, I guess you call it fake grass, the turf for it. They're actually doing that right now, so that's actually pretty cool that they keep it maintained and in great shape. And it's a nice putt-putt area because you're right here next to this beautiful waterway. So really cool, and it's right next to the trading post. So as we walk along this lovely walkway here, another beautiful waterway, and you can see some of the vacation rental homes. Now, some of these are actually permanent residents. Some people live at these resorts, but many of them are rentals. So you can see quite a few of those. You can see some of the RVs parked up ahead, and we are actually facing the direction of the beach. So don't worry, we are going to take you to the beach and show you the beautiful views from this resort at the beach. But they also have a lot of amenities here, and we will take a look at those. They have pools, they have water park type activities, all kinds of stuff. So we'll show you those as well. So since they have camping, they also have bathhouses. So here's what the bathhouse looks like. Obviously not going to go inside for privacy reasons, but it looks like a pretty nice facility from the outside for sure. And now we are to some of the camping areas. So some of these are going to be proper campsites like tents, as you can see that tent there. And some of these are going to be RV sites. Lots and lots of RV sites here. And also, I know you can rent RVs here. I'm not sure if it's through Lakewood or if it's through someone else. If you know that, leave it in the comment below. That'll help other viewers. But you do have the ability to rent an RV. So if you don't have your own, but you'd like to try RVing, that's definitely a good low risk way to do so. And as you can see in this area, we're in the spring right now, so the trees don't have their full leaves. So this will be even shadier once we get into the full summer. But you've got some nice shade in some of these lots. So it's definitely a nice area. And this gives you an idea of just how massive this is, because we're not even up to the close to the beach section yet. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. It helps us out a lot. Well, that's fun. Someone's got a teepee looking tent. That's cool. You can see the water park and stuff down there, but we're going to stop here at the coffee house and show you what that looks like on the inside. I'm just going to pop in really quick since it looks pretty full. It's really nice. This is actually a beautiful facility. They've got some nice seating. Looks like depending on the time of day, they have some treats and a full service coffee bar. Now that we're getting up close to the pool area, we've got some nice permanent cornhole set up with some benches to watch and a nice shady tree. That's a nice area. We're gonna walk around now to the pool area and show you that. And we can already see the ocean from here. It's pretty cool. So if you want to be close to the pool and the ocean, you're gonna have fewer trees on your campsite, but you're definitely close to where all the fun is. All right, so you've got some signs telling us everything that's up here. We've got a restroom, we've got an ice cream parlor, and then over here is the very cool pool area. It is not open yet today, but you've got the water slides, you've got the lazy river, I don't know if you can see it, and there's also a sort of small shallow pool area where you get off the water slides, but then they also have a proper pool and they also have an indoor pool. I saw that on their website. So they do have the snack shop here as well, an information center. There you go. So this is a pretty cool splash area. That's really neat. Really nice. And then this is pretty cool. I'll show you this so you can get a sample of what they have. Obviously this is going to change, but they've got this board with all kinds of activities on it and a worship service on Sunday morning. All right, so here's the entry area for the lazy river and stuff. And then right over here is their main pool. Wow, that's really nice. You got the rocks, lots of loungers and chairs. Beautiful area. Looks like a little kiddie pool here for the little ones. Some cabanas over there. I assume those would be an upcharge. Definitely a nice area. And we'll walk along here. So here's the entry again for the lazy river. Got a lot of chairs here. And then here is an up-close view of the water slides. Pretty neat. There's a fun photo op of a giant Lakewood chair. There is a bike rack there where you could lock your bikes up. And that's actually something we wanted to mention. This is actually, since it's only a half a mile by a half a mile, this is so small that you don't really need a golf cart or a bike. You can just walk everywhere. I mean, it's really easy, you know, unless you have mobility issues. There's a basketball court. Definitely easy to get around. I mean, it's only taken us a few minutes to walk most of this entire place to get to everything. It's a really cool playground, definitely fun. Got some swings over there. So obviously they do rent their own RVs because that's what he's doing right there. He is removing one. So that answers that question right there. They have their own Lakewood people, or actually I guess he just dropped that off because he left it there. So that lets you know right there that they do rent their own RV. So if you don't have your own and you want to try RV camping, that's a great way to do it. Also right here by the ocean, they've got shuffleboard, bocce ball, and then they've got a couple of good sized volleyball courts here as well. Beautiful view while you're playing too, you can't beat that. Right here by the beach, they've got Montana's fish fry. Looks like that would be good. It says it's the best kept secret in Myrtle Beach. So here's the menu. $15 per person or $8 for children. So definitely as we were coming in, you noticed that it was like kind of sparsely populated. Once you get down here by the beach, it is packed. Just RVs as far as the eye can see down here, and all these rows are full. But we also wanted to show you, we found their indoor pool. Definitely a nice facility, so we wanted to show you that as well. There's quite a few people in it, so I'm not going to go in and bother them. But you can see, and you actually have views of the ocean through the other side, so this is definitely a nice area. We're still right by that indoor pool, and look at this. It is beautiful. The ocean is quite rough today. It's quite windy, but beautiful nonetheless. It is a gorgeous day, and it is nice and warm today. I think later today you'll probably see some people in that water, even though the water temperature is still a little chilly. But it is gorgeous. Let's go down here and take a look at the beach. That is the Myrtle Beach Resort, those gray buildings. Then that other building is I think it's mostly residential building that's right on the oceanfront. And also in that direction is the Ocean Lakes Campground. And then in this direction, you have the Pirate Land Campground Resort. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.